Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be teaching how to make a Google site. So just go to sites.google.com. Basically, this is just what your site's going to be named. I'll just name it YT tutorial. Then this is what basically is up here. This is basically what's up here in your site, so I'll just name it AAA. It also names it that too. Next thing you probably want to do is add games. For right now, I'll be teaching how. I'm not going to be teaching how to make like these. Right now, I'm just going to be making them like babies. What I like to do is make a menu section called Games, and it shows up here. It's basically like a folder. There's two ways to make games. There's full page embed and new page. I like to do full page embed, but I'll show both. So I'm gonna do Super Mario 64. Okay. Drag that into the games folder. See? Next, you probably want to get your game, so I'll put a link to this document. This has basically a bunch of games. Like a bunch. It has a bunch of new games too. So I'll just go Super Mario 64. There's two ways to do this. Download the code and just copy it. I like to genuinely copy it more. So once you copy it, go to embed. This basically just embeds like your thing from the web into your page. Go to embed code, paste your code, click next, and click insert. And it should look like this. I like to do this and basically you have your game now. You have a basic unblockable site. Another way you could probably do this is go to full page embed. I'll do Mario 64 2, and here you can embed or add. So I like to embed code, next, and look, full page. That's the way I like to do it, but you can do it either way. It doesn't matter. So, that's it. This is only part 1 of the tutorial. Or wait, actually, one more thing. Actually, a couple more things. You can also go to side. So basically that turns it into a collapsible menu. And basically you can also go into this, which will put a message at the top. So what I like to do is teacher nearby, panic button, and then I just say panic. I link it to Google Plus. So copy that, put it into a link. It shows up here. Okay. And another thing is, once you publish it, it allows you to have a custom, well not custom, but like, it allows you to feature like link. So I'll just do tutorial test. Oh, 1. Tutorial test 1. Publish. There. It will do this for a second. If it ever does this, just do that. And now look. It works perfectly.
Hey, Mario! Hello!
Works perfectly. Dear Mario, please come to the castle. I baked a cake for you. Yours truly, Fantastic Peach. Anyways, that's it for the tutorial. I know, like these tutorials are gonna be like very, like, close to each other, yeah, I just can't release them all in the same thing. So, goodbye.